Alright guys, in this video we'll learn how to open Rfactor and play the game. So you'll right click your Rfactor icon, run as administrator. Make sure you always run as administrator when you play Rfactor. So we'll hit run as administrator, yes, and this will open up. Once you come to these videos you'll hit the space bar, it'll skip through it. So then it'll open up here. What it'll probably do, I've already set mine, but it'll come up and tell you to put in your name. Just put in your name and then hit accept, and it'll kind of freeze up on accept. Then it'll kind of freeze up for a minute, but it will go through. Put your name in, then hit accept. Then it'll ask you to choose a country, and then it'll ask you to choose a helmet and a series and all that, and just click through all that. Then you'll get here. You'll go to the wrench, then you'll go to player. Make sure you're on DM16 SSR. Then you'll go down to vehicle. Then you'll go right here. You'll have to click Dirt Motorsports. If this ain't showing up, hit show owned or show all or something like that. So then you'll go to test car, buy car. Then you'll go over here to skins, and this is where you can select the skin you want, all that good stuff. So right now we're just going to go with a test car. Then you'll go over to upgrades. You can change your engine, change shocks, springs, anything you want to change. So what you'll do is, when you want to change something, you'll go, say for example, engine. If you want to do the 604, you'll go click 604 and you have to click buy upgrade. If you don't click buy upgrade, it will not go through. So go to shocks, say we want Olin shocks, click that, buy upgrade. If you go down here to like right rear, you can put a plate on it, buy upgrade. Same thing with the rest of them, all that good stuff. So once that's done, you'll want to go to settings, difficulty. You'll want to turn all these off, and vulnerability off, steering help off, brake help, all this off. Only thing you'll want to leave on is auto clutch. So auto clutch will be on, everything else off. This right here doesn't really matter. Then you'll go to rules. All this will be off, none on flag rules. Fuel usage is normal, tire wear, all this you can just leave. However, all that you can leave alone. Then controls, what you'll want to do is you'll click throttle, then you'll press your throttle, brake, press your brake, all that good stuff. Go down to there, set your mappings. Then you'll come over here to rates. You'll have to kind of fix all this the way you want, what fits best for you. Then you'll come down here to display. According to your computer, you can adjust this how you want in your internet, but kind of play with that. You can do that on your own. Over here you'll want to change this to miles per hour and imperial. That'll give you miles per hour in inches. So default view, that is however you want to race. If you want to be in the cockpit, on the nose, swingman. A lot of us use swingman, that's what I run. All this doesn't really matter all that much. Then audio, you can turn your music off, is what I like to do. Sound effects, I like to turn that off. It gets rid of all these noises it makes when you do this. So if you turn that off, it'll get rid of it. Engine volume, you want to turn that down a little bit. All this you can kind of leave. Spotter volume I'll turn down. Then once that's done, you can go to testing and you can find you a track. Then load circuit. So you'll have to go to opponents right here and select this and then hit load track. So then that'll open up, and then right up in here okay, so it's not won't let me show you in the game, but in the game you'll have the garage and all that, and you can hit race in the bottom right corner and make sure everything works. If you guys want, we can walk you through later on how to go in our actual server and race online, but when you get started you might want to just go in that private testing and practice around a little bit. So on this screen we'll show you how, like if you want to go into one of our races online, we're normally on nearly every night, so this is how you'll do that. You'll go to connect, join, then that'll kind of hang up for a second, but it'll load through. So once you get here, you'll hit this green plus and type in our IP address. So you'll click out of this and type our IP in here. Then once you hit accept, our server will pop up right here and you'll be able to click it, and in the right bottom corner you'll be able to hit load in or join. So that's kind of how you get started. Like I said, we're normally in Discord all the time. If you'll come to our Discord channel, the link's on our Facebook page and our IP address will be on our Facebook to get in the server. So you come in here, we'll be in the lobby, and then kind of in our Discord what we have is we'll have this downloads only, and you can see we put a lot of stuff in there. Like if you come into our server and it says you don't have the track, chances are it's going to be in here, like the mods and nearly everything's in here. So you'll be able to find a lot of stuff. It's not on our Facebook, it may be in here. Guys that race with us put their skins in here. You can download those to see other people's cars. Chat, you can ask questions. So yeah, that's kind of how that works. Just shoot us a message if you have questions, and thank you.